My name is Waleed Rhebi. I'm a periodontist in Michigan. I practice in StellaLife in a beautiful office. I have a beautiful team there. As you can see, I have braces. I decided like late a little bit in my age to start braces. As a complication, I got a lot of ulcers. Try to find something. The doctor recommends some mouthwash regarding that. Luckily, I found StellaLife through the Amazon. It was kind of interested what I read about it. I tried it for myself, and the result was amazing. I brought it to the office. Some of my friends, when I talk with them about it, surprisingly they are using it as well. And since then, the patient is absolutely happy about it. It changed the way how we take about the patient there, and I can't say like 100% that on my patients just ask for refill after finishing the first bottle. So I love it. It's my first choice for any patient for the term of healing potentials and taking care of the home care.